Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to remove the background of an image or a video. Let's say you shot a video or a picture in a particular background and you don't like that background, you want to change it to something different. I'm going to be showing you how to remove the background of a video or an image and replace it with another one. So let's get right into it. So now I already launched CapCut and imported my videos. I'm going to be working with these videos on the screen. So what I have to do right now is import. Let's say this is the video. This is an image. I'll just bring it to my timeline right now to start working on it, right? So you have to bring it to the timeline. Then this is the background that I want to use. So this is the background. So what I do now is bring this other one to the top. All right, I bring this one to the top, and then now that I'm going to proceed to remove the background of this picture, so I'll just do this, and now I've removed the background. This image is now on top of. I've removed the background of the image, and this one is now on top of the second image here, which is the background that I want to use. And I think I like this. I think I'm going to be using it in the next video. All right, so and if you want to export just an image from CapCut desktop rather, you just go to these three lines, this hamburger, and export still frame, just like this. You can change the name of the project and say my image, right? And then hit export, and it's in PNG format, right? So that's one done. So let's do the same thing for the video. Let's say we have a video. I'll just import this video, and then the same process actually. So I'm going to take it up to the next. I create a different timeline for it, and then for the background I drag it out to get to the length of the video. Now I can edit this video if I don't want that other part, and drag it just so both of them are the same length. All right, so the same thing goes for this. I remove the background by clicking this button, the background of this video. Okay, it is processing. For videos it takes a little while, so it is processing. After a while, we're just going to wait for it to go away, and then we'll see the edited video. All right, so now it is complete. Okay, it is complete, and you can see that the other background is gone, and now I have my background. I can just play my video. It's graphic design. All right, so that's it. That's a simple way that you can do that. Just allow it for a while. It's going to process. After processing, it will replace the background and just give you what you're looking for. All right, so if you want to merge the both, click together so that you can edit both of them together without having to edit the background and then edit the video separately. Just come to create a compound click on it. It just groups both of them together. Now you can edit it seamlessly. It's very easy to edit this way, and you have just one click to edit, and you're working with just one click. So, and it's also easy to do it this way. So, and let's say you have like a video, like this video that I have. This short clip that I have that has a green background, and you want to remove the background. You want to remove the background. Let me show you what this video looks like. but I have a graphic design. Yes. So this kind of video. So how I remove the background, or what I do is I just adjust this. I adjust this to the side, and then adjust the size, and then I just remove the background. But then it's not the same process. It's not the same process as removing using this one. This one works for only human figures. Like, as you can see, CapCut just spelled it out for us here. So for this one, we use the chroma key. So when I select the chroma key, it allows me to pick the color I want to remove. Now I can select the green color, and the next thing to do is increase intensity and also increase the shadow. All right, so now I have this video without the green background, so I can use it anywhere in my video, just like that. It's as simple and easy as that. So I'm using it on top of my video. And if if this is not the first time you're watching my video, you know that I use this particular clip a lot on my video. Almost all my videos have it. So this is how I do it every single time. All right, thank you very much for watching this video. If you have learned anything from this video, please give it a thumbs up. All right, so it encourages me to put out more tutorials like this. And if you have any question, please drop it on the comment section. Let me know your thoughts. All right, let me know your thoughts. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.